Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Gosh, I'm so excited. It's been ages, as in I've been wanting to come back to this channel, but I've not had the opportunity or the strength to do so. But right now, I'm so glad that I'm here and I'm filming this video. It's been my wish to be here to film this video to you, and I'm so glad that I'm here at this time filming this same video to you and explaining what has been happening to me, what has been going on in my life. If this is your first time coming across this video, my name is Abigail Wanedo, and this is Bilicious Dessert, where I express my art, where I teach you what I do, which is cake making, dessert making, pastries, and everything nice and everything good. So this is not the kind of video I usually do, but I have to explain why I have been away for over a year. Let's even forget what I've been posting over the last 1 year. It's just been things that I've done personally for myself or some shorts. So if you go through my page, you see that it's been a while I posted a real tutorial for you guys. But today, I'm going to be telling you what led to my absence. Sometime in December last year, 2021, I had an issue with the building where my studio was, and we were made to evacuate in 2 hours. We had court martial, police, and some agbo. If you're from Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. They had to make us evacuate in 2 hours. I'm sure you'll be like, didn't they give me notice? Trust me, they did give us notice, but we didn't get the notice because our then landlady was always tearing off the notice so we don't see it, and we didn't know we had to leave very, very fast. So we're made to evacuate in 2 hours, haven't paid so much for rent. Then that aside, the reason why I stopped posting was when I was made to evacuate, I had to make a room in my house, in my studio, which wasn't so easy for me to just bounce back like that. So I was trying to get myself back on track. The orders became low because my customers were going to my former studio and they were not finding me there, and my new location was not convenient for them, and I lost a lot of customers. Some stayed back. It wasn't easy for me. My bouncing back on my content creation was becoming very, very difficult. I had set up back, but when I think of whatever I'd gone through, I would just lay down and cry, kinda, in my heart, not outside, because I was trying to be strong. Fast forward to February 2022, because all this happened in December 17, 2021. In February 2022, I got pregnant. Yes, I got pregnant. Haven't waited for 3 years. I got pregnant and I was so excited. I was being careful. I didn't want anything to happen. You know, haven't waited for 3 years. I didn't want anything to happen to the pregnancy. I had to stay away from work, stay away from orders, stay away from YouTube. Practically everything that brings in money for me personally as a woman, I stayed away from it. And you guys know, prior to when I was evacuated, I resigned my job, my banking job. This is for the purpose of actually living healthy and taking good care of myself. So I got pregnant in February 2022. So I didn't want anything to happen. I didn't want any form of miscarriage. I didn't want anything that would make me run to the hospital. I just wanted to carry to full term. So that was what happened. I had to stop content creation. I had to stop cake making. The only thing I was still doing during that period was actually making yogurts. Fast forward to October 25th, 2022, I had my baby. I had my lovely, lovely baby, a baby boy. I had my baby boy. As I said earlier, I battled with infertility for 3 good years. It wasn't an easy journey. It wasn't an easy emotional journey, but I thank God that I was a victor at the end of the day. If you want to hear a detailed story of my infertility journey to victory, please head right on to my personal YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click it. There you get the full gist of what went on, what went wrong, what we went through, I am my husband. So if this sounds like what you'd like to hear, it's a testimony video. It's not just made for content purpose, but that video is made to give somebody hope out there. I promised God that I'm going to make a testimony video, which is what I'll be doing in that video. So check the description box, head right on to my personal YouTube channel, subscribe. You'd see the video, and please watch it. Please watch it, or send it to somebody who needs it, because there will be helpful tips and helpful information in that video that would help somebody out there. Okay, for the best part of the video, I'd like to introduce you to my baby, my son, I call him my sunshine, but that's not his name. I call him my sunshine. You're my sunshine. Oh, did he comb his hair? Oh, there's light here. Oh, there's light. There's light. Oh, this is my baby. This is my sunshine. He has a lot of names. There's name war going on in my house right now. His name is Daniel. I named him Samuel. His native name is Jamaramchi Ugochukwu. My father named him Ekele Dirichukwu. So you see, there's name war going on right now. My little niece named him Tochukwu. So say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. There's lights. You can see lights. Yes. So this is Jamaramchi. This is my heart. This is my sunshine. This is my love. This is the baby that wiped my tears away. So thank you guys for watching. If you watched up to this level, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it to somebody who needs it. I'll see you in the other video. Please don't forget to go to my other channel and watch that video and be blessed. From now on, you'll be getting YouTube cake content. You'll be seeing a little of Jamaramchi sometimes. His head will just be coming out small, but I don't mind. We are going to create the content together, and we're going to move this channel to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.